What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Shaq, man. We're back with another video, man. Alright, so on today's video, well, I done changed the water pump, the thermostat, and the fan. So I changed all that, and I still had coolant draining out my car. It's hot as hell outside, y'all. Like, it's hot. Alright, so changed all that. I still had coolant draining out my thing. I'm thinking it's the drainage thing on the bottom of the radiator. Nah. Whole time, it's my actual radiator. Like, my actual radiator. So I'm finna show y'all. This mud done for.
Well, check that out, y'all. Like, this whole thing right here cracked. And they go all the way over to the opposite side. So, yeah, that motherfucker done for.
But I'm gonna show y'all on how to take it out. So first off, well, you know you gotta take your fan off first. You gotta take your bracket off. Then you gotta take your coda intake off. Then you gotta take this off. Then you gotta take your fan out. And then it's gonna be a bitch though trying to get it up out of here, cause I got headers and all that stuff, so it's tough. There ain't no room up in here. Then you gotta take this off. Then you gotta take this off. Then you gotta take the bottom one out. Then you gotta take this hose out right here. So pretty much, I'm gonna put it all back together. I'm gonna show y'all on how to get everything back in here. But first, I'm about to get all this clean first before I stick it back in there, cause I don't like having it dirty right there. So y'all see, I've been cleaning half of it. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get done cleaning it. Alright, I'm back, y'all. And y'all can see, clean the hell out that motherfucker. It's a whole different car down there. That mother was dirty at first. And now, we ready to stick the radiator back in. We got the cooler right there. And we got the power steering fluid. And y'all can tell. Look at the old one. That motherfucker had his days, man. But look at the new one though. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That shit is beyond me. Crazy. So now, I'm go ahead and stick it back in the car. Gonna walk out through it. Alright, y'all, so we done got the radiator back in. The only thing you gotta do is connect the thing behind it. Left key and shit. But you gotta put the little black tab back on there so it can match up with this. And then make sure you gotta put the these lines right here. Or these lines back up in here. Cause they already come with the new things right here. The new clips. So you ain't gotta worry about the new ones. The new ones already in there. That's one good thing about it. So only thing you gotta do is just stick the lines back in there. God damn. That's all you gotta do. Stick the lines back in there. Hold on now. Do like that, then stick the little. We finna go around on it, so we're gonna stick the little black thing back over here. Oh shit. Let me out. Stick it back over. You gotta stick this little thing back over this one. Hey man. Come on now. Work with it, brother. Alright, now, my damn leg hurting, boy. Hey, you gonna stick this one? God damn, boy, that motherfucker tough. Nah, that one ain't gonna get it, my boy. You know what? Fuck it. Hold on, y'all. Damn, why this one so hard to get in there? I'm gonna catch back with y'all when I get this mug in there. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So, what I did was, on these hoses right here, I took these motherfuckers off. I took them off. The little clamps right there. I do not like them clamps. So I recommend all y'all to go to these because it's more easier. So, only thing you gotta do is put them on there and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's all we gotta do, Lil. Is put the hose on right here. Put the hose on down there. I got everything intact already, so I'm gonna catch y'all once I get ready and put the fan in here. So now, oh shit, we done got the clamps in there now. So let's see, we got the clamps in there. I should have got some a little bit smaller, but it'd be alright. Yeah. As long as them clamps in there, it'll be alright. Now, it's time to stick that fan up in there. So y'all finna watch me stick this fan up in there. It's a trick to this fan now. There's always a fucking trick to this shit too. Just like that. Took a little minute though, but it got it up there. Now, man. Oh, that's why. This fucking thing in the fucking way. That's why. So now I gotta take the shit back out. Alright, y'all, so I done put the fan back in there. He was the fucking bitch trying to get that fan up in there. So we got the fan up in there now. So the only thing we gotta do is put a screw. God dog it. Gotta put a screw right here. And then we gotta put the things right here. And then just do it on the opposite side. Catch y'all once I get done with this. Well, no, I'm finna just keep it rolling here. Fuck it. Big ass head. I'm doing this side now. Bro, we literally ain't got no room. I mean, absolutely no room. I did. Got that up enough. Whew. Man, it's hot. I'm gonna catch y'all once I get all this shit done. So I done got the fan back in here. Got all the stuff intact. Got this back up intact. Got this back up intact. Got the bar back. Got the screw back up in there. Got this one up in there. But I couldn't get this one on there because that little bracket thing supposed to go right there. It's up in here. So I gotta buy me a magnet and do it tomorrow and put that motherfucker back on there. So only thing I gotta do now, put my cutter intake back on there, put my bar back on there, and put coolant in this motherfucker, and that bitch done. And yeah, by the way, I did finish my radiator and all that stuff, so ain't no more leaks and all that stuff either. That right there, that's coming out tomorrow when I make the next video. So yeah, all right y'all, this is the end of the video. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one.